Sorry, father, for not being the man you wanted me to be. Sick psychologically, but hip-hop inspired me. Menace not to society, but mostly myself. I love so much to hate it, damn, that's probably bad for my health. Wish I could one day be your favorite, is that so selfish? I pray to the day that all my people filled with wealth is still on the corner, helpless, high hopes. By the bodega, popping Heinekens and sly jokes. Hot the bottom from 5-0, broke bread with many gangsters, many hustlers, stick up kids and even busters. Wasn't the duggest, but in self-defense, I guaranteed that I stood up for something valid. Stay on my peas and carrots, probably steamed relaxing with a fly beauty pageant on top of my poofy mattress. Daisy Dukes a hazard, might explain my action. Liddy bar, watching the city of God. Illin', we really was starved, often incredibly hard. Since then I really evolved, came out of my shell, that's what Buttons would say. Used to roll them Tootsie Blunts. How many puffs does it take? This music is my soul food, I'm stuffing my face. And loyalty is everything, so I can trust the mistakes. This is my unofficial biographic. Promise to keep it real from prelude to the final chapter. Indeed it matters, need a masterpiece to kill my rapture. Sit back and ask yourself, what is it you're really after? Masterpiece disaster, disaster, disaster. Indeed it matters, need a masterpiece to kill my rapture. Sit back and ask yourself, what is it you're really after? Yo. Sorry mama for not being the man you wanted me to be. Dreams of a doctor, a lawyer, sorry that wasn't for me. Avenue corners, I'm flea, parties I VSOP. All that time in the street, you just learned how to keep it a G. Starry nights like Van Gogh, I paint angels. Words take flight like a raven from Edgar A. Poe. Choices I made, some dumb, some probably would say it was something more of a test to show I wasn't afraid. Wrote some novels, considered myself a modern Polo Picasso. Unorthodox and hostile, such an unbearable I know. Feelings is hollow cause I'm still haven't found, but I'm looking for it like Bono. You two can have it. Such a seductive habit, the way I produce is frantic and scientific. Hypothesis is rhythmic till I conclude my business. Words is photogenic, it's a growing pain, migraine, beautiful headache. Like a few of my exes, this is mandatory, the plan is now set. With the graph writer's finesse, first I start with a sketch. It's an honor and blessed, rebirth, the page is refreshed. And what I possess is unexplainable to the flesh. This is my unofficial biographic. Promise to keep it real from prelude to the final chapter. Indeed it matters, need a masterpiece to kill my rapture. Sit back and ask yourself, what is it you're really after? Masterpiece disaster, disaster, disaster.